Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my fridge. I might be out of frame, I don't know, but yeah, what's in my fridge? Well, I have got this at, I want to say Walmart, Life Water. SpongeBob Go-Gurt. And Hogwash juice. Two of them. Oh, forgot I had this. Midnight Grape. Kickstart. I wonder if I can zoom. Out of focus. It's not. That's the Midnight Grape on third picture. And of course, some ranch. Got two of them. There's one in here. And then two of these Givella cold brew caramel. Well, one of them's caramel and then the other one's house blend. Maybe I'll do a review for them one day. And milk. I was gonna make that for dinner one night, but no, I did. Water, leftover pizza from Pizza Hut, and of course, cheesecake filling. I love this stuff. And then cream cheese for my bagels. And then there's some Blue Bonnet butter, and then I made pasta with butter and Parmesan cheese. It wasn't that bad. And then a broccoli cheddar rice. That's a leftover. And some, I think this was enchilada soup. Cheese enchilada soup. And then Kool-Aid. Ooh, I forgot I had one of these. Kool-Aid Burst, the cherry flavor. I think I'll drink that after this. And then homemade fry sauce that I made with Miracle Whip and ketchup. Parmesan cheese. And some cheese sticks. The Incredibles 2 ones. And then Hawaiian Punch juice. I got like a whole bunch of those. And then I thought this is cute. They had Elmo fruit punch. And I think there's another drink back here. Yeah, there's another drink. Whoops. I haven't tried this before, but it's fruit punch water drink. So, see how that tastes. I don't know where the Hawaiian punch went. Bacon bits. And 2 of these, where it's a creamy melt mozzarella cheese, shredded. 2 of those. And then some Gatorade. Teriyaki sauce, I got 2 of those. Miracle Whip, caramel syrup and chocolate syrup, mustard and ketchup, and salsa. And it's the La Victoria Suprema salsa. I was trying to find the Taco Bell salsa, but never found it. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you really love this video, share it with your friends. And what else do I say? It's been a while since I've made a video. And subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos. And right next to the subscribe button is a notification bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos. If YouTube ever notifies anyone. But yeah, have a lovely day or night. Bye.